Maybe some of you have thought that it would be a good idea to have a bagger on one of these big badass grasshoppers. Well, let me tell you, it is not. It's a terrible idea. This hose here, just bane of my existence at the moment. This is how we fix it. Remove the pin. Unlatch the latch. Detension the tensioner. Raise the lid. Remove the belt from the pulley. Open it up down here. What do we have? A big fucking mess. How do we fix it? By sticking our hand inside and pulling it all out. It's my first day to use one of these, and I think I have done this probably, I don't know, 7, 8, 10 times in the past hour. It just takes in so much. It takes in so much grass. And of course, the thing doesn't really allow much space for a forearm that's shaped like a man's. So, it's very uncomfortable. Right. So that's everything in the tube. Down here anyway. But let's see what surprises wait for us under here. Yeah. You can sometimes get your knee on this thing to pop it out a little bit. But it does not give you much space. And so, you're consistently pulling grass out of this big fucking bitch. Okay, but wait, we're not done yet. Check out what else there is to do. See if we can get this dude. I've learned that gripping it with legs is helpful because it does not want to move. So you struggle every time. Ah! Almost. Almost. Yeah. That's what you keep thinking. Ah, there we go. Right? And more grass. Look at all that grass. Just gumming up the works. I was told today that the bagging attachment for this guy, the mower itself, is $45,000. The bagging attachment is $10,000. $10,000 for this dude right here. Anyway, so if you're considering a bagging option for your grasshopper, keep in mind, it ain't easy. Period.